All right, so last week, not the greatest. Three trade, two one wins, two losses, total profit 25, 2600 loss. Let me walk you through what happened. Okay, so Tuesday, the 20th, I lost $130 on Nasdaq. So same thing, right? I looked at the 3 to 7 a.m. candle, right? This one, it's green. So simple. My bias is to go long. Also, what I was looking, it's a good level of support right here, right? One touch, two touch, three, four, five, six, seven. So it's pretty good level of support. Now I went to 1 minute chart. So the bias is to go long. And then I was looking at the same thing, 7 a.m. Central Time, new candle, right? 7 a.m. Central Time, new candle, right around here. Boom. And one thing I noticed is this 7 a.m. candle is also previous day high. Okay, so now my rule is to go long only if the price is above this or above my opening range breakout, right? So the price already opened, it was so fast I couldn't catch this. I'm not even trading these 5-10 minutes of the market opening. So I let the market went down and then went up and then went down again and then went up again. I was looking to price to go at least to this range, or it almost hit the range, hit the 7 a.m. Candle, and then it dropped again. So what I did is I wasn't patient enough. So I marked this level right here, this level. Oh God, sorry. I marked I marked this level, and I was like, okay, I'm going to go long when it hit this level. So I hit this level, which is the pre-market high, somewhere around the market open. So it hit this level, went up, and then hit this level again. I hit and went up again, and also check this candle, right? Right, this candle. Did you see how this candle went all the way down, and then all of the buyers came and put the price up? I entered at this one. I was hoping to go one maybe candle, maximum two candle, and get out. But guess what? It did not, and I exited this candle right here. So I entered, I exit, just one candle. But honestly, it's not that was not a good trade at all, because it just did not. I just didn't follow the rules. You know what I mean? My rules. I should have entered the trade if my bias is long and I just want to go long. The price has to go above this price and then confirms with my opening range breakout and then enter. This one is actually could be a good short, could be a good short, because then if you short in here, look how tight your stop loss can be, right? Just above the 4-hour candle. Remember the 4-hour candle that we marked? So your stop loss could be just right above this and just go short. But I didn't want to go short just because my bias was long. Overall, not a good trade. I did not follow my rule, and that's cost me 130. All right, see you on the next one. Okay, Nasdaq, Tuesday, July 21st. I lost $100. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Our candle is this guy right here between 3 to 7. Nasdaq already opened big. The candle is green, so the bias is to go long. Let's go back to 1 minute chart. our new candle is 7 a.m. candle, right here around this price, 7 a.m. this blue dotted line. So the what I was looking for, the price to go down and then come back up and then go long. So the price came back here, break the opening range breakout, come back to this level right here, right? So the price is already in the range above our blue dotted line, and this is where I entered. I entered at this price, it went up a little bit, and then the next candle went down, and I exit the trade at this candle, and that cost me $100. But the trade was good, the setup was good, so I'm okay with the trade. I followed my rule, and that's all matters. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so Thursday, same thing again, right? I was looking for 4-hour candle, this candle right here, between 3 to 7. Um, so candle is red, my bias is short. Then switch to 1 hour, 1 minute chart. 7 a.m. This is exactly where the price was closed. The new candle was opened, right? So what I was looking for is the price to go above this and then come back and then go for short. But guess what? It did not happen. The price already went down pre-market. And now what I wanted, the price either go above this, again, I go above this and then come back. But the price went to 15 minutes ORB and it went down. So my bias was short. This blue dots already verified that, but not the ORB. ORB did not verify that, so that's fine. I shorted right here at this candle, at this green one, was hoping to go all the way to this, but this candle was already too big for me, so I took the trade-off after this candle, and that was a 480 profit. But guess what happened? The price already went all the way to this level. That's what I was hoping for. But still a good trade. 480. I'm happy with that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so Friday. This one was big. I lost almost 3,000. Same thing for our same our candle. So I was looking again for this candle, 3 to 7. It's green. I was thinking the bias is going to be long, so we're going to long. But when I went to 1 minute chart, this is where the new candle closed at 7, right here, boom, at this price. The new candle closed, the new candle opened, and after between 7 to 8:30, it went all the way down to this price. So my PO3 is not confirming the long, otherwise the price has to move above this blue dot, right? It did not confirm that. So bias is long, PO3 is not confirming that. And then when the market opened, my range, it did not even hold that. So the price went hit that high, went back down, break that the range. I was about to go short here because I had two confirmation, right? One, this guy right here, my range and my line. But this candle was too big. I didn't want to chase it. Although if I just could enter it, that would be big. But I didn't chase it. So I went back down, all the way back up. And where did I enter? I enter around, hold on, where did I enter? I entered around this price right here. It went back down. I was in profit, like maybe 100, 200, but that wasn't too down. I was like maybe go a little bit low. It went back up, it went down, it went all the way back to this price. I was up here, I was up around, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000. but I was greedy. I don't know why I didn't take this trade out. It just I was just be greedy. And guess what happened? The price went all the way back to the range. I was about to exit at this price because even back to the range, right? But I didn't. I was like, okay, can you go down a little bit more? It did not. And after this big candle right here, this guy, look how big this was. I I exited around right here at this price. And that's, I mean, that cost me like $3,000. I could take the profit here. I didn't. Being greedy. Exit the trade right here and the price came back to the range and that cost me 3,000.